Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this Honor. Firstly, access settings and scroll down to locate battery section. When you find it, click on it. Now click on this gray switcher next to performance mode in order to activate it. As you can see, after that, higher performance is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!